Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I have a J4 Plus. If you have any Samsung like that problem, you can see here is going. I press here. It is not going off. Okay, then if I press again, let me take restart. It's not doing anything. It's coming. What is coming? Tap again to restart your phone. So it's very is not going. Is something is funny situation. Is something is funny problem. So how we can fix it? Let me show you how we can fix it. Okay, it's very easy. So let me J4 Plus. If you have any Samsung, you can fix it. So how we can fix? Let me tell you. If you press here, it's showing same like that. So you can see it's not going. So what you do? Power button and volume down. Okay, press and hold it. You can see press and hold it. It's taking the screenshot also. Press and hold it, don't worry, until when you feel a vibrate. Yeah, you see, now it's get on. So it was very easy. It's not difficult, it's very easy. You can fix at home. Just if you like my videos, so like if this video help you, must like and must subscribe my channel. So this is working simply. No, it's not going to delete any stock what you have inside. You see, asking for a what is your pattern. So I don't know what is pattern because it's somebody else. So I just want to show you how you can fix at home, so you don't need to go on any shop. So see you next video. Bye.